My new air fryer oven is the biggest yet. The new oven I bought is on the left, and the 6-slice Black & Decker oven I've been using is on the right. There's what they look like with the doors open. This one is the Cuisinart 15-in-1 extra large digital air fryer oven. This is what the digital control panel looks like here. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's got your function button to change it to whatever, bake, air fry, roast, dehydrate, whatever setting you want there. And then they got the arrows for your timer right there, and then up and down arrows for your temperature here. And it goes in 25-degree increments up or down. This oven is a Cuisinart. I haven't cooked in it yet, but it's running right now and it seems pretty quiet. This comes with this air fry basket and then this pan which has a removable divider. This oven also has a grill setting and it comes with this grill plate and it's smooth like a griddle on the other side. This also has a temperature probe for cooking meat. So you stick this in your meat and this end plugs in right into the side of the oven door. You can just open the oven door and close that right on your wire, and it tells you the temperature of your meat, so that should be fun to play with. If you've seen my toaster oven videos, you know I cook in this 10-inch cast iron skillet a lot, and that fits in there no problem. Now that you've seen what it looks like before it's all dirty, I can start cooking in it. This will be the 6th oven I've used on this channel, so it should be fun.